So first of all, very good afternoon to all. Firstly, OYO stands for On Your Own. OYO is an hospitality industry which provide quality budget rooms. Ritesh Agrawal is an Indian entrepreneur, the founder and CEO of OYO. The first startup of Ritesh Agrawal is Oracle, which is later converted into OYO. OYO is an online hotels booking service organization. OYO offering standardized rooms in different locations across the India. The main aim of Ritesh Agrawal is to understand the steady consumer satisfaction level. So next slide is over to Shiva.
Yes, sir. Founder. Personality of At the age of 17, Ritesh Agrawal started his entrepreneurship journey. Oracle Stage Private Limited was launched after he dropped out of his college in year 2012. This was his first startup. Ritesh Agrawal was selected for the prestigious fellowship in April 2013 from Peter Thiel. The Thiel Fellowship is of two-year program. Ritesh Agrawal then realized that the budget hospitality sector lacked predictability. Therefore, in 2013, he pivoted Oracle to Oyo Room. And in 2011, Ritesh moved to Delhi with intention to start something of his own. And at same time, he was also preparing for the SAT exams. Now, I hand over next slide to Shriyanshi Shukla.
That was my slide. So I am going to continue from here. So I'm going to tell you about a basic business model which OYO followed at the beginning. Uh, so the basic idea was they acquire a part of the inventory in the budgeted hotels and paid the owner negotiated commission. Then they standardize that rooms and organize according to the need of the travelers. And we can also see exhibit number 13 in page number 21 for that purpose. Before for before and after picture of room before standardization and after standardization of OYO, and they booked room under the brand name of OYO because they wanted to make brand of themselves, and they don't sell rooms in the name of hotel because they want to build a brand basically. uh, bookings were done through OYO rooms and website, and they audited the rooms for the quality purpose and ranked them accordingly on the OYO app and website. Their main focus was on the hotels which have low occupancy rate, not on the high, not on the hotels which have high occupancy rate because they were already doing good. Their main focus was on 0 to 2 stars hotels, which are budgeted hotels, and then they slightly moved to the franchisee model, and they ask hotels to operate them as a franchise and using their brand name so that they can get commission in return of that. And so yeah, that's it. And I am handling other slide to my friend Rishabh, and he will explain you more about aggregate. What is aggregate model? It's all about. Rishabh, are you there? Hello, Rishabh. I think Rishabh was not there. So I will explain aggregate model also, that in aggregate business model, like I will give example of Ola, that they contact service providers and uh, and contract with them that they use brand name of their, like for example I give example of Uber. They contact taxi drivers and take their brand name of Uber, and they take commission from Uber drivers, and that's what, like Flipkart and Amazon was doing. Like they're dealing with warehouses, factories, and they get commission from that. Now I ask Shriyanshi Shukla to explain about Oyo Room strategy.
Oyo Room strategies. Oyo Room strategies is following the blue ocean strategies. Blue ocean strategies basically means the lower cost to open up a new market space and create a new demand. Here it expands the boundary in the existing industry. Means the OYO expand the boundaries of hotels.
Shreyanshi, please turn on your camera.
Sir, I am audible and visible too.
सर कैमरा चालू है इसका सर.
Sir, I am audible and visible too.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
now you're visible.
Yeah. So Oyo Room is following the blue ocean strategies. Blue ocean strategies means lower cost to open up a new market space and create a new demand. It expands the boundary of existing industry. Means the Oyo expands the boundaries of hotels. That hotels which are not working well, or in their business, the customer are not coming, but with Oyo, the customer book the hotel in 3 tab. So hotel don't pay money for registration. The Oyo rooms don't pay the money for registration, as we all know. Oyo room strategies attract the customer with lower price. We have in Oyo we have the lower price of rooms, like 399 or 599, something like that. Oyo rooms take a share revenue generated in every month. Oil rooms take 10% to 15% money revenue of hotel. Base how many booked using the Oyo technologies. Means they take 10% and 15% monthly revenue. How many customers are booking in the Oyo with the Oyo app? They take 15 or to 10%. Oil rooms and hotels have a agreement on that. The agreement is valid for 3 months. Within 1 month, Oyo rooms and hotels can't break their agreement. After the first month, they can break the agreement in some conditions. Next slide, please. So here is the formation of Orable to transformation of Oyo rooms. Orable Stay Private Limited is launched in the year 2012. Oyo was designed as a platform to enable the listing and booking of the budget accommodation. In simple term, it was mean that designation for short and mid-term rental for the bed and breakfast joint, private rooms, better services, standardized room, as my colleagues have said, standardized rooms, full facilities, AC. There is AC, free Wi-Fi. Soon the Agrawal realized that it's just a combination of bed and dinner would be fulfill the expectations of the budget traveler in India. So he transformed the Orable stay to Oyo rooms in 2013 with the key proportion affordable. But he have the year he had launched the Orable, he got uh, the year he launched Orable Travels, he was nominated for Thiel's Fellowship Award. Thiel's Fellowship, the fellowship designed by the Peter Thiels, the founder of PayPal. So Oyo Rooms in India are largest brand network of the budget and hotel chain. So thank you. Next slide. So here is difference between Airbnb and Oyo.
Okay, Shreyanshi, stop. Shiva Singh, Airbnb Oyo का difference बताइए. Shiva Singh is going to make the presentation or not?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Airbnb और Oyo में
Yes,
difference
sir.
बताइए.
यस सर, एयरबीएनबी सर सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है। ये सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है सर, ये हाउस को रेंट पे सर चढ़ाने के लिए प्रोवाइड करता है। और ओयो जो होता है सर, ये होटल फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करता है। एंड सर जो एयरबीएनबी होता है, कभी कभार सर इसकी सर लास्ट स्टेज में सर ये अपना और एग्रीमेंट सर कैंसिल भी कर देते हैं, लेकिन ओयो कभी इसका ऑर्डर कैंसिल नहीं होता है। एंड सर इन एयरबीएनबी सर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं रहती सर, लेकिन ओयो इज वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल। And सर एयरबीएनबी में नॉट फ्लेक्सिबल प्रिडिक्टेबिलिटी नहीं रहती, एंड ओयो में सब प्रिडिक्टेबिलिटी रहती है। इसमें कभी एग्रीमेंट में सब चेंज नहीं करते अपन ओयो में।
अच्छा,
यस सर।
निखिल।
Yes, sir.
आप क्या प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं?
Sir, functional department of OYO rooms.
क्या फंक्शनल क्या डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं?
Sir, product development. Sir, hello everyone. Myself Nikhil, and today I will give the presentation on the topic OYO rooms on creating
See,
effective
you are making a
spaces.
presentation. Kindly turn on your camera.
Sir, my camera is already on.
देख क्यों नहीं रहे आप यहाँ पे फिर?
Sir, now I am visible.
No. Anyways, yes, now you are visible, gentlemen. Okay. अब आप मुझे बताएं फंक्शनल डिपार्टमेंट्स क्यों देखना है ओयो रूम्स का यहाँ पे? Why should we get into the functional departments?
Yes, sir.
फंक्शनल डिपार्टमेंट्स ओयो रूम का देखने की क्या आवश्यकता है?
Sir, first is product development. Product development, when 100 plus top universities, college students, when they Ritesh Agrawal was struggle, they know how the product was developed. Like Airbnb, the hotels and rooms, so they know how to manage the things. The hotels were not provided the well experienced customer not as customer satisfaction, and they then they move to the OYO rooms, and they point out the simplest things that the customers were not in the Airbnb. The customers were not provided the things like toiletries and all such facilities. So in OYO rooms they keep changes and they do same. And then branded and communication.
निखिल,
Brand building. Yes,
मुझे
sir.
ऑडिट सिस्टम बताओ, ओयो में ऑडिट सिस्टम का प्रोसेस क्या होता है?
Sir, audit systems, sir, they have kept the staff members they audit the things like check-in, check-out, and the customer satisfaction, feedback, reviews, and the things for customer provided the facilities like audit the rooms that the walls or furniture tables are well equipped or not, interior and exterior and all these things.
How do they conduct the audit?
Sir, yes, sir.
How do they conduct the audit? What is the modus operandi of conducting the audit? And what is their
Sir,
audit?
auditors.
What is their auditor called as?
Sir, they point out the things that the मतलब चीजें सही तरीके से है कि नहीं है, ये सारी चीज पॉइंट आउट करते हैं।
Just a minute. मेरा सवाल ये नहीं है, तो पॉइंट आउट नहीं है मेरा सवाल, कैसे कंडक्ट करते हैं ऑडिट?
Sir, they customer reviews and feedbacks and all these things they check.
कैसे चेक करते हैं?
Sir, through customer feedback, reviews and
अरे भाई, ओयो वाले कैसे चेक करते हैं सर, ये पूछ रहे हैं। नाम क्या है उसका?
Sir, they have the app for like Krypton app for staff, corporate app and for staff members, and Krypton app for the customers.
अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, आइपर में आप लोगों से संपर्क करने के लिए क्लास कोऑर्डिनेटर है, ठीक है? ओयो रूम्स में ऐसा कौन है जो मॉनिटर करता है चीजों को?
सर, ऑडिटर्स ही मॉनिटर करते सर।
अरे कैप्टन नाम से कोई है क्या?
Can I answer this?
No. No one else.
I am not understanding what you ask.
उनके ऑडिटर को क्या पुकारा जाता है? जैसे हमारे ग्रुप डायरेक्टर सर हैं, सर, उनको ग्रुप डायरेक्टर बोलते हैं, क्लास कोऑर्डिनेटर को क्लास कोऑर्डिनेटर बोलते हैं।
यस सर।
इनके ऑडिटर क्या बोलते हैं?
करता है, इसको कौन है ऑडिट कंडक्ट करने वाला व्यक्ति?
Sir, the staff they have kept for auditors.
ओके
नहीं, उस स्टाफ का नाम क्या पुकारते हैं? नहीं
Yes, sir.
मालूम है तो नहीं बोल दो, इधर गोल
Yes, sir. I don't know the staff name of the staff. I don't know the name of the staff.
कैप्टन के नाम से कुछ होता है?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या है वो?
क्या कैप्टन क्या?
केस पढ़ा है?
Yes, sir.
कितने बार पढ़ा?
Sir, 2 times.
अच्छा,
नहीं।
तो फिर वो कैप्टन का तो नाम पता होगा चाहिए। पूरा नाम बताइए क्या है उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन?
Sir, I
ऋषभ नोवंशी है मीटिंग में कि भाग गए मीटिंग से?
ये 3 C's क्या है? निखिल,
sir. Yes, sir.
3 C's क्या है?
Sir, 3 C's customers.
अभी कुछ देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, अभी आप कुछ रेफर मत कीजिए, ऊपर देखिए आप।
Yes, sir.
3 C's क्या है?
सर 3 C's कस्टमर्स को कैसे मतलब वो करना है, मतलब स्ट्रेटजीज क्या क्या
नहीं
रखी
मालूम
गई
है, नहीं मालूम है।
है सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए?
नहीं मालूम है, नीचे मत
C's है।
नीचे मत
Yes,
देखिए।
सर 3C है कस्टमर
कैमरा की तरफ
एडजस्टेबल एंड
कैमरा की तरफ देखिए आप, कैमरा की तरफ, ऊपर 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 ऊपर।
यस यस
तो कैमरा में आंख लगा दीजिए आप, ठीक है? 3 C's क्या है और 20 क्रॉसेस क्या है?
ऋषभ नोवंशी आपके लिए भी यही क्वेश्चन है, क्या है 3 C's?
Sir, 3 C's is constant availability and sir, first C is constant availability of rooms. Second is consumer reviews.
Don't read it. Put on your camera.
हाँ बोलो।
And third is compatible.
सेकंड पे तो बोला ही नहीं, फर्स्ट के बाद सीधे थर्ड आ गए, सेकंड क्या है?
Sir, second is compatible rooms.
Nikhil, put on your camera.
Second is third is customer reviews.
हाँ निखिल, ये क्रॉसेस क्या है?
यस सर
क्रॉसेस कितने?
क्रॉसेस सर यस सर सर 4 क्रॉसेस एंड
10 क्रॉसेस हैं और येलो ब्लैक, ये क्या है सर?
यस सर मैं बता देता हूँ सर 4 क्रॉसेस एंड 10 क्रॉसेस 4 क्रॉसेस इज फॉर दैट the 4 crosses is for 10 crosses is for warnings 4 crosses that room the facilities and rooms are not
कहाँ लिखा है दिखाइए?
and 10 crosses are warning and then they decline and the color coded is green color coded